This question is about the application of integration concepts in distance, velocity, and acceleration. Particularly in this question, we are using acceleration and velocity. The acceleration of a particle is given by a equals to 25 minus 90 squared, and we are supposed to find the velocity in terms of t first. So the formula we can use is that for us to get velocity, we are supposed to integrate acceleration with respect to time. In this case, velocity is equal to the integration of acceleration, which is 25 minus 9t squared. We are supposed to integrate this expression, and generally if we have a gradient function dy dx as x squared, then y will be the power of x increases by 1, and the overall new power is divided by x squared, and that gives us x cubic over 3. So just like that, also we are going to integrate 25, we are going to integrate 90 squared, and you will find that the power of the variables in this expression will increase by 1. So we are integrating acceleration with respect to time, in this case t, and not x. So now for us to integrate 25, then we introduce time t, and the power of t is 0 here in this case. So these two are the same, but when we integrate, the power increases by 1, and we divide the new power by the new expression 25t power 0 plus 1, and then minus 9t. The power is 2 now, we add 1, the overall power, which is 2 plus 1, and then we add constant c. Whenever we integrate an expression, we always add this constant c. Now the new expression will be v equals to 25t minus 9t cubed divided by 3, then plus c. Simplifying this, we get v as 25t minus 3t cubed plus c. Now question A is not asking us this. This is called a general equation, so we want a particular equation. So for us to get the particular equation, we use the information in the question, which is this one. We are given velocity at the fixed point, which means that is initial velocity. So we have velocity v as 4, and at the initial velocity time will be 0. So with these two variables, we can be able to get c, and therefore we substitute v with 4 equals to 25. Where we have t, we replace with 0, then minus 3, and then 0 cube plus c. So clearly this will give us the value of c as 4, and therefore the new equation, which is question A, will be velocity equals to 25t minus 3t cubed plus 4. Now for part B, we are supposed to find v when the value of t is 2. So we use this equation to get that. So v will be 25 into bracket, substitute t with 2, then minus 3 into bracket 2 cube, then plus 4c. So this is the same as 50 minus 2 cube is 8 times 3, that's the same as 24 plus 4. So the value of v, that is velocity, will be 50 minus 20, which is the same as 30 meters per second.